In today's world, mobiles and Wi-Fi and computers are everywhere. There are still many people who feel like they don't know anything about computers. So we put together a short video to help demonstrate a few Windows key commands. So in no particular order, and with no restraint on time, here are 10 useful Windows key commands. Thank you for watching. Number 1. The Windows key. The first item on our list is the Windows key. The primary function of the Windows key is to open the Start menu. This gives you access to all of your installed programs, commonly used apps, as well as settings and files that are stored on your computer's hard drive. Beyond its primary function, the Windows key is also used in combination with other keys for functionality. Number 2. Windows plus E. The second item on our list is the Windows plus the E key. Tapping Windows plus E will open your computer's primary document folder, known in older versions of Microsoft Windows as My Documents. This Documents is the default location for all your files and folders that you create in most apps and programs. All the apps in Microsoft Office Program Suite, for example, use the My Documents area as its default storage location. Number 3. The Windows plus the M key. This keyboard shortcut will simply minimize all open programs and apps that are currently running on your computer. Often, while working on a project or a collaboration, a computer user will find themselves with several open programs that clutter the desktop. A quick tap of Windows plus the M key will bring you right back to your desktop. Number 4. Windows plus Shift plus M. The first item on our list that contains a 3-key combination. This combination of keys will simply reverse the results from the previous item on our list. Windows plus Shift plus M will bring all the apps previously closed back to the top of the desktop in the order they were already in. Number 5. Windows plus L. This command is very useful because it will lock your computer. Many people believe their data is extremely important. This command can help you protect that data. Hitting Windows plus L will not turn off your computer, but simply lock it so no one else can use it in your absence, assuming you have a password set. Your power settings will still work while locked, and the computer will still turn the monitor off and go to sleep at the appropriate times. Number 6. Number 6 is the last of the Windows key combinations on our list. Windows plus P. This command lets a user switch between possible monitors or displays that they have connected to their computer. When you press Windows plus P, Windows will open a submenu with multiple options to choose from. Once the submenu opens, a user can simply press the up or down arrows to select an option, or use the mouse to scroll over one, and then click Enter to effect the change. Number 7. The last few items on our list are all somewhat related in terms of use. We will be exploring some of the commands which use the Control key, or CTRL. While this keyboard key is used in combination with many other keys to provide keyboard shortcuts, we will be focusing on 3 of the most used and useful commands for working with computer documents and files. Control plus C. This is the copy command. Depending on what item it is you are currently working on with your computer, this command will copy various items for you to work with in different programs. If you are working with folders, for example, you can hit Control C, and this will copy an entire folder and all of its contents. If you're trying to work with a word processor or a notepad, your Control C command will copy any section or sections you currently have highlighted. One particular item worth noting is that Control C will not delete the original data. Using this command, as the name implies, will give you a copy of the data. Number 8. Control plus X. Control plus X is very similar to Control C, with one large exception. This is the cut command. This command will remove any of the original data when it makes a copy. This can be very useful in many situations where storage is limited or the need for the original file is no longer that great. The Control X command can be used in practically any situation that you can use the Control C command, and will produce very similar results, with the noted exception of removing the original data. This means if you're working with a file and tap Control C, it will remove whatever file or folder you happen to have highlighted. The same applies to a word processing as well. Any highlighted area will be removed while a copy is produced for you to work with. Number 9. Control+V, the paste command. Now that you are familiar with how to copy or cut using the Control plus other keys, let's look at how to use the information you just copied. After using either Control-C or Control-X, you will have a piece of data that is ready for your computer to work with. Tapping on Control-V will paste your results wherever you want them to go. If, for example, you're working on files and folders, you simply have to open a folder, and then the Control-V command will paste the data you copied into the folder. This works the same with the data from a word processor or Notepad. Anything you have previously copied can be pasted anywhere else in this document, wherever your cursor happens to be setting. And finally, number 10, Control+A. This is a highlighting command. Tapping Control+A will highlight or select every item inside the current folder or document you are working with. This can be particularly useful when trying to move an entire folder tree or the contents of an entire Word document into another location or program. If you open your desktop and tap Control-A, you will have just selected everything on your desktop. Using this command in conjunction with other commands you have learned, such as Control-C or Control-X, will copy everything on your desktop and will allow you to paste the contents into another location, such as another computer or a folder that you want to work with. This video has been brought to you by eSource. eSource is your source for all your technical needs. Please visit us at esourceinc.net. I hope you found this video informative, and if you liked it, please hit the like button and leave us a comment below, and thank you for watching.